Hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Railways. As we know, India's railway network is recognized as one of the largest railway system in the world under the single management of the Ministry of Railways. Here is a list of the 10 longest train journeys in India that can be accomplished by a single train. Number 10. Rapti Sagar Express. The distance covered by this train is 3437 km. This train runs between Ernakulam Junction in Kerala to Baroni Junction in Bihar. The train scheduled running time is 62 hours, covering 8 states of the country. The train covers 62 stations with the average speed of 55 km per hour, and this train runs weekly on every Monday. Number 9. Dehradun Kochuveli Superfast Express. The distance covered by this train is 3459 km. This train runs between Dehradun in Uttarakhand to Kochuveli in Kerala. It is halting at 25 stations and covering 9 states with the average speed of 60 km per hour. It runs weekly on Friday with time of 61 hours and 15 minutes. Number 8. New Tinsukia Weekly Superfast Express. The distance covered by this train is 3563 km. This train originates from Bengaluru and sets off for Dibrugarh city in Assam. It has a total running time of 65 hours and 35 minutes with average speed of 54 km per hour. This train goes from Bengaluru through Vijayawada, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata and many more with covering 7 states about 39 holes in between. It runs weekly on Tuesday. Number 7. Agartala to Bengaluru Humsafar Express. Humsafar Express is a completely 3-tier AC sleeper train designed by the Indian Railways. Its service profile includes long-haul routes. It connects Bengaluru in Karnataka to Agartala, the capital of Tripura, over a distance of 3570 km. The train runs for over 64 hours and 15 minutes of the time and stops at 28 stations en route with average speed of 55 km per hour. It departs twice a week on Tuesday and Saturday. Number 6. Amritsar Kochuveli Express. The distance covered by this train is 3597 km. As we know, Amritsar is one of the major pilgrimage destinations in the country with the famous Golden Temple. The Amritsar Kochuveli Express leaves the northwestern frontier of the country and traverses 7 states to make it to the southern end of the country with a running time of about 57 hours and 20 minutes and 25 holes in between the average speed of 57 km per hour. This train starts its journey on Sunday. Number 5. 10 Jammu Express. The 10 Jammu Express runs between Tirunelveli, deep south in Tamil Nadu, and goes right up to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra in Jammu and Kashmir, covering distance of 3642 km. Of the 523 stations en route, it stops at 62 stations from Tirunelveli to Jammu Tawi and has a running time of about 69 hours with average speed of 57 km per hour. The train goes through 11 states and runs twice a week on Monday and Friday. Number 4. Navyug Express. The distance covered by this train is 3690 km. It is going from Bengaluru Central in Karnataka to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra in Jammu and Kashmir. The Navyug Express runs for over 4 days and 15 minutes and stops at 59 scheduled stations en route. Navyug means new era was introduced to improve Jammu and Kashmir's connectivity with the rest of the country. This weekly express departs on Monday with average speed of 50 km per hour. Number 3. Himsagar Express. The distance covered by this train is 3797 km. This weekly train, which runs only on Monday with the average speed of 52 km per hour, lies between Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu and Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra in Jammu and Kashmir. It travels across 12 of the 29 states in the country and is scheduled to stop at 71 stations. It has a scheduled running time of 73 hours and 5 minutes. This train is a favorite among the Indians down south who want to make the pilgrimage to the shrine at the Vaishno Devi. Number 2. Thiruvananthapuram Silchar Superfast Express. The distance covered by this train is 3931 km. The weekly train Thiruvananthapuram Central Guwahati Superfast Express has been renamed as Thiruvananthapuram-Silchar Superfast Express after the extension of this train up to Silchar in Assam on November 21, 2017. After this extension, it became the longest running superfast train with 54 halts. The train has a running time of about 76 hours 35 minutes with average speed of 52 km per hour. It originates from southern city of Thiruvananthapuram on Sunday. Number 1. Vivek Express. The distance covered by this train is 4273 km with a running time of 82 hours 45 minutes and about 56 scheduled stops with average speed of 50 km per hour. The Vivek Express covers the longest train route in India. It originates in northern Assam and goes all the way to southern tip of India to Kanyakumari. Named after Swami Vivekananda, this weekly train was introduced on the occasion of the 150th birthday anniversary of India philosopher. It is also the 9th longest train route in the world and passes through 8 states of the country, and this train departs weekly on Monday. If you like this video, press a like button and share a video. For more video content, please subscribe our channel Rail Beast. Thank you so much.